This ocean view estate contains a 2-level main villa, a 2-level guest villa, a large casita, and 3 carports. This property also benefits from a huge, beautiful terrace, which surrounds a large pool and a small pool for the children. The main villa has a large living room, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a big kitchen, dining area, office, and more. On the lower level of the main villa, there is also a small separate apartment. The guest house has a living room, kitchen, a bedroom, and a large bathroom. This home exudes beautiful, tranquil luxury. For more information on this listing, please contact Amber Coast Realty, your real estate professionals in the Dominican Republic.